What's a mass shooting? Well, last night, Pennsylvania, at Lincoln University, 6 shot, 1 dead. A mass shooting is anytime somebody just decides to shoot. We don't know the motive yet on this, but that's why it's very important for you to be prepared. Know your exits. Know what to do if you're outside in a public place and there's a shooting. This is things you should be telling your family. Do you run? Do you hide? Do you fight back? These are things you have to know. If you hear and see gunshots, take cover, hide, know your exits. If you want to shoot and hurt people, you want to maybe just do it for the fun of things, or do a political hit, or just maybe gang related, somebody's talking to you doing a shooting, call 605 no shoot. That's 605 no shoot. We don't need to know who you are. Use a burner phone. Just call. We're here to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 605 no shoot. Call. Don't delay. If you know somebody that you think is going to do a mass shooting, you don't know what to do, give us a call. We're here to help you.